How you doing? Brett
Hi.
Johnson from AJ Perry.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We're going to install your equipment today. Guys will be
Okay.
starting out outside and they'll be continuing on into the attic and they'll perform their work. At the end, we'll go through a full walkthrough of everything and go over the function of the equipment and go over all of the essential stuff that we need to be able to get your warranties set up and the equipment up and going.
Good morning. We're at the Hiller residence in Bricktown, New Jersey. She's the latest recipient of our AJ Perry Cares program. With the current crisis that we're in, we've extended to other everyday heroes. In this case, it's a healthcare worker who's basically on the front lines of what's going on with our current COVID situation.
My name is Nicole Hiller, and I work for a senior living community in Tinton Falls as a certified medical assistant. I have to go to work every day. I have a 1-year-old daughter who's been staying with my mom since March, and it's a pretty stressful time for me. You know, I work in a retirement community where things are pretty real, and it's hard for me every day going to work and coming home not being able to see my baby. My sister gave me a call. She said that she received an email where she can nominate a hero, a healthcare hero. And I said to her, I was like, what do you mean you nominated me for a new system? And she said, well, they're doing a heroes program. And I think that, you know, what you do every day, you go out, you have to tend to residents, your whole life is upside down, you can't see your child. I felt like, why not? You deserve it. So she nominated me and they called me and I won.
Today we're installing a Performance Series carrier equipment. It's a 2-stage furnace, 15-seat air conditioning. The system that was in the house was a little bit on the older side, and from what I understand, she had a couple issues with the air conditioning portion of it. And as usual, timing's pretty good. It's getting warm today, and we'll be able to provide her with comfort by the end of the day and provide her with a product that has excellent warranties on it and all throughout this program that we feel so strongly about.
I see a lot of things that normal people on the street don't. So, you know, everyone is anxious to go out and, you know, see their loved ones. And of course I am too, but I'm a lot more hesitant. I feel like it's going to be probably a couple more months for me.
Through this initiative with the AJ Perry Cares, no matter what program we're reaching out through, the workers, the people in the office, the frontline people at AJ Perry love doing these programs.
There's a smile behind my mask.
It's an amazing thing where you have a company that actually puts their money where their mouth is, where they give back to people who serve the community, our country, in some way, shape, or form. And it's just it brings pride to the guys that do the installations. It brings pride to the company as a whole to be able to back people that are at the forefront of providing service for other people. We're able to take whatever we're able to do and provide service for them.
My daughter was a couple of weeks old and the heat turned off. I couldn't get the heat back on. And, you know, as a new mom, I lost it. My husband, he was able to get it working again. And here and there we have our hiccups. He goes out and he does, I don't know what to it, but he gets it to work. But it was a pretty old unit. It's been about 2-3 weeks for me actually holding her, yeah. I see her on FaceTime every morning, every night. Every once in a while I do, you know, the grocery drop-offs for my mom and we wave through the window. But, you know, I get phone calls, oh, well, she's crawling. Oh, you know, she just took her first steps. Oh, she says dada. And I'm like, did she say mom? You know, I'm like, mom, mom, mom. But, you know, she's not there yet and that's okay. I'm good with that. It's tough, but we're getting through it. And, you know, I have to look at the other side of things where I'm going to work every day and I'm helping people. So there's some good coming out of it. It's a small hump that I have to climb over.
Throughout the COVID crisis, we've had to change a lot of our habits at AJ Perry, obviously because of social distancing and the use of PPE. We've actually changed a lot of procedures, which is one of the things that we had to bring to the forefront to protect our workers, our customers, and everyone in general. We have almost over 300 employees, and through the use of these precautions that we're taking, there has not been one instance of anybody being diagnosed positive with COVID, which is a very great testament to how strongly we feel about doing this.
I'd love to thank you for what you do right now in a time period like this. To have people like you on the front lines
Thank
doing
you.
what you have to do is an amazing thing, and I appreciate what you do.
Thank you.